what? Boys, if you got the upload last week, Alex did get the windows blacked out. That is freaking sick. I love it. Yes, sir, she moves, boys. Woo! Shout out to Renfro for getting that fixed up there over at Shady Tent. Love it. Hell of a job. Truck's looking good. Alright boys, so welcome back to the channel. Here is the deal, guys. We've got all kinds of amazing stuff popping off right now. And the first thing is, I've got a very, very large order of parts on the way for Project 4 to 8. And hopefully I'll have some room in the shop here in just a few. And we're going to really start hammering out on Project 4 to 8. I am super excited. You're not going to believe. I've got a order from National Parts Depot that's probably going to need to be on a pallet. It's so freaking big. But we're going to get rocking on Project 4 to 8. Super excited about that. And we've got a lot of stuff going on in the shop. So let's get in here and see what we got going on. All right, boys. If you were looking in the background on the last upload, you saw the Reef Blue car is back. And, of course, Nick worked his magic. Guys, look at this freaking engine bay. Look at the engine bay. Still haven't polished it or cut it, buffed it, anything. You can follow the reflection there. My God, boys, Reef Blue is just way too much. Everything. Got the core support. I mean, everything is done. Got the Scott rod panels in there and did the... we got the... ladybugs. Anyway, guys, yeah, so everything is smoothed out under the bay. Firewall is painted. So we're kind of at this point where it's time to put some parts on this thing, and sadly we don't have any parts. But again, guys, Nick did a phenomenal job on this thing. It looks great. Now we're waiting on parts. Get rolling on Ray's Reef Blue Coyote swap. All right, boys, real quick update on Lee's car. The all of the Viking coilovers are in, and guys, these are pretty nice pieces, I gotta admit. It's a pretty hot setup. So we've got the coilovers up on the front, obviously adjustable, super nice. And we'll go back here. You see the adjustable coilovers on the back as well. I mean, I really like these. These are pretty freaking nice. Gotta admit, clearance is a hair tight. Not horrible, but they're a little bit tight. But yeah, guys, they're in, and he's gonna have infinite adjustability with these, and be able to dial this thing in exactly how he wants it. Next on the docket, boys, we've got the brand new Cook's X pipe is in, and of course the brand new Cook's 1 7/8 long tube headers are also in. Again, guys, I freaking love these new designs. These are the ones that I've got on my car. I absolutely love them. And they also come with new bolts now. The Stage 8 locking header bolts. So you don't ever have to worry about those things again. So that is what is up, boys. Lee's car is coming along right now. Just got to do some fuel system things on it. And just keep on waiting for that supercharger. Hopefully it will not be long. Alright, boys, and if you caught the last upload, turbo tires fired. Basically, guys, I'm gonna walk out here so you can actually hear me, but there was quite a few more things we had to get wrapped up on the turbo car before it went to Daryl's for tuning, and all of that is pretty much squared away. So as you can hear, it's running great, and we're about to take it up and get it tuned out properly. Here, I'm gonna stand over here so you actually hear me. But yeah, the The turbo car is about to go for tuning. Again, we don't do that type of stuff, but you can hear me clearly in the background. It's running great, so super excited about that, guys. It's once it comes back, we'll be able to like make boosts and take it down the road. But I mean, it idles great, sounds great. Still burning off some of the paint and stuff on the hot side, but I'm telling you guys, burn all that paint off, she'll be good. Idling great.
I think it's burning that stuff on there. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it probably is. There you go, boys. Will it make turbo noises? I don't know. See if it'll make turbo noises. Yes, sir.
Crazy damn head skid take idless good.
Yeah. Not even close.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Love it. All right, boys, real quick, had to give you a quick tour. Check on the 71. Guys, if you're wondering, that is Todd's Coyote swap here. That is actually swap number 2. If you've been around the channel for a while, you know Todd's car. It's super clean, black on black. Let's see, on the 71 F100, guys, we got some big meats coming, and these are actually going on the rear of the 71. Where's the size? There's the size. These are like road race tires, but anyway, they're going on the back of the 71. Why? Because we got the supercharged. We got a 335/25, y'all, ZR20, and like, there's my hand. I'm not a small dude either. Yeah. So those are going on the back, boys, with the steel, Detroit steel wheels. So truck's gonna be freaking sick. And of course, if you caught the upload about a week and a half ago, took the Boss intake off, and yes, boys, she's getting her Rouse supercharger. So shame on you if you have not been watching, but of course, I'm always gonna have an update for you. And obviously the cab is getting new floor pans. It is at Nick's, and also filling in a lot of the holes on the firewall as well, just to kind of smooth it out. So big meats, supercharger, fresh paint, guys. I'm telling you, the world is not ready for this F100, and I just want to drive it. All right, boys, so that is pretty much what I've got for you today. Been a freaking awesome day at the shop. Always some craziness going on, as you can see, and we're ready for spring and Ford takeover, and I am ready for the first fire and first drive of Project 48. Like I said, guys, I will have an update very soon. I've got a freaking pallet of parts coming from National Parts Depot for this thing, and basically what I've been waiting on to get back on this car. This car is going to be done right. The only thing that's making it easy to give this car away and not want to just keep it for myself is because I can't wait to see the look on someone's face when I deliver it to y'all. It's going to be freaking awesome. I cannot wait, guys. I'm telling you. If you have not signed up, link is always in the description. The subscription model helps me do what I do, and one of those things that I do is give away badass fox bodies. And there is a crop duster plane. He's flying really low, boys. Check him out. There he is. He's right there. See? Told you. All kinds of badass. That is what is up, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And we got to get this turbo car up to the tuners so we can do burnouts for you very shortly. So, yeah, that's it. That's what we're going to do. So, later, guys.